What is up, guys? Alpha Man Media here, back here another video. Today we are making Cheeto chickens. So basically, it's chicken with the outer layer of Cheetos. You need Cheetos, you need eggs, you need flour, and you need some oil. And the main ingredient, you need some chicken. Let's get started. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna need like 3 bowls at least. You're gonna, I guess, set them down. Then you're gonna need to put some flour. You're gonna need some eggs. You're gonna need your Cheetos. Of course, you gotta crush your Cheetos up. And at this point in time, guys, is when you're gonna need to start cutting up your chicken. But before we do that, I'm gonna start putting the oil on the fire. And now you got to start cutting your chicken. And now you guys gonna want to start whisking your eggs, so get ready for the stuff. And now you can start the process. Alright guys, so it's been about 15-20 minutes. We put the chicken from flour to eggs to Cheetos to the frying pan. They've been in there for about, like I said, 10 to 15 minutes now. So now we take them out and we see how they taste. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, got one of the Cheetos right here, and now it's time for a taste test. A little overcooked. Alright guys, you can see the chicken Cheetos didn't go as planned, but as you know, you win some, you lose some. But alright guys, please like, share, subscribe. And leave down in the description anything you guys want me to do or try, and I'll be making sure to do them.
And remember guys, always stay positive.
And that's it, I'm out. Yahoo!